Gardens need attention? Not sure what to plant? Not sure where to start? It's easy with Ezyplant's DIY garden bed plans. Let me tell you how it works. Simply visit our website and click on the View Plans button. Our plans are designed for the various climatic regions of Australia, so choose the region applicable to you. Remember, it's important to know what type of soil you're working with. Now choose from our range of design modules. Rectangle plans can be used along your boundary, driveway edge, or in a courtyard. Corner gardens are uniquely designed to connect to rectangle plans, allowing you to plant out your full boundary with decorative plantings in the corner. Our range of feature gardens add interest to open lawn areas or courtyards. And take a look at our packaged options. Choose from themes like bird attracting, drought tolerant, and Balinese. So whether you're looking for a single garden bed design or a complete package, just choose your garden type, refine your search by choosing the other parameters, and our algorithms will provide you with a selection of plans that meet your needs. View the plans, then click through to gain more information on your plan selection. Be sure to check out the related products to complement your design. When you're happy with your selection, simply add to cart. Choose another plan if needed, or proceed to checkout. It's that easy with Ezyplant. Save time and money. Get it right the first time with our professional garden bed designs, which take the guesswork out of plant selection, making DIY even easier. With Ezyplant, you can't go wrong.